We're here today for the 6th round of the Irish Tractor Ploughing Championship. With tractors from all over Ireland here, from Monaghan, from Wicklow, from Longford, from Carlow, come from all over. The sled itself, you see going up the track there, it has come from County Tyrone. The further you come down the track, the harder it is to pull. So you see that you've got a weight box on the top of the sled, and it's driven off the wheels, so as you come down the track the weight moves forward and it gets harder and harder to pull. And as well as that, we have little switches on the side of the sled, and as the weight box hits those, it brings in different stages, so each stage it gets harder and harder to pull. The most powerful tractor here today would be 1500 horsepower.
We're doing a charity event, and we have a bull whaling, and you pay €2 a line.
The monitor is just to monitor your application on the back of the tractor. These are just for your settings for setting up a plough on the back of it.
It's a 6715S, 150 horsepower. Your spool levers are here, 3 spools, your linkage controls on the centre pillar.